You ever ordered a part for your car and ended up with a rusty piece of scrap metal that looks like it's lived 3 lifetimes? Yeah, me too. Nothing like unboxing what was supposed to be a shiny new alternator just to find, well, a relic. But not today, my friends. Today, we're skipping the junkyards in disguise. We're counting down the absolute best websites for European car parts. Whether you're hunting for OEM essentials or looking to beef up your ride with performance mods that'll have it roaring like it came straight out of Nürburgring. So, if you're tired of getting burned by online sellers who think new means kinda held together with duct tape, stick around. We're covering everything from the top-notch OEM sources to the sites where you can score performance gems. And trust me, these are the places that actually deliver. Welcome to Rockers Drive Club. Alright, kicking things off with FCP Euro. These guys are the real deal for OEM parts. You're not just buying quality here, you're buying peace of mind. They've got this lifetime replacement guarantee, which means if your part fails, or, let's be real, when you break it swapping it out for something bigger, they'll replace it. Lifetime. Who does that? It's like they're betting against themselves on how durable these parts are. And honestly, I'm here for it. So if you want OEM parts without the buy it once, cry later factor, FCP Euro has you covered. If you're after genuine parts straight from the factory, FCP Euro is your go-to. They've got everything for European classics like BMW, Audi, Mercedes-Benz, and Volvo. And they don't cut corners on quality. Leave a thumbs up if you're Team Volvo. They stock reputable OEM manufacturers like Bosch for electronics, Mala for filters, and Lemforder for suspension. Basically, if your car's got a logo that sounds like it belongs on the Autobahn, FCP Euro has it. And that lifetime replacement guarantee, think of it as their seal of confidence. So, skip the shady sellers and check out FCP Euro when you're ready to treat your car right. Next up, ECS Tuning, the spot for anyone looking to turn their daily driver into a track day beast. This is where you go when just getting from A to B isn't quite cutting it anymore. With brands like Bilstein for suspension, Akrapovič for exhausts, and Brembo for brakes, ECS has everything you need for high-quality performance mods. They're stocking the kind of parts that'll make your car handle like it's on rails, sound like a symphony, and stop on a dime. ECS Tuning has every tool for the job. Whether you're looking to drop your ride a few inches, crank up the horsepower, or slap on a set of Brembos that'll make even your grandma feel confident as a passenger. And trust me, with their lineup, there's no shortage of ways to spend your paycheck. So, if you're ready to push your limits, and maybe test your spending self-control, ECS Tuning's lineup for brands like Audi, BMW, Volkswagen, and Porsche is your new best friend. From handling to power, they've got you covered to make your car perform like it's fresh out of a race circuit. Running tight on budget, but still want quality parts? UroTuning's got you covered with options that won't make your wallet cry. These guys are all about affordability without sacrificing reliability. Europarts has great reviews from car owners who know their stuff and want performance without breaking the bank. So, if you're driving a Volkswagen, BMW, Audi, or maybe even a stylish Alfa Romeo, and you're not looking to spend a fortune on maintenance or upgrades, UroTuning has your back. They've got the kind of budget-friendly parts that actually deliver. No sketchy cut-corner products here. Alright, before you dive headfirst into these sites, here are a few quick tips to help you get the most bang for your buck. And avoid those late-night, did I order the right part? Regrets. First, always double-check your VIN. Most of these sites let you plug in your VIN to make sure the part actually fits your car. Trust me. This step saves you from the close enough parts that end up costing more in the long run. Next, don't forget to hunt for discount codes. Whether it's your first order, a holiday deal, or just an email sign-up bonus, a few bucks off never hurt anyone. A little online sleuthing can go a long way. Another tip, read the reviews. Real-world feedback can be a lifesaver, especially if you're on a budget or trying out a new brand. People don't hold back, so if there's a problem with a part, someone's probably already called it out. And finally, get familiar with the return policy. Sites like FCP Euro have that lifetime replacement guarantee, so if you're a little rough on parts, no judgment, you've got peace of mind. So there you have it, simple but effective tips to make sure you're getting the best deal and the right parts for your ride. Now go on, make those upgrades, and enjoy a hassle-free shopping spree.